Hi, my name is Jared Smith. I'm a member of Group 3. Our topic for this website is artificial intelligence. My specific topic is machine learning versus the public perception of AI. First off, when you think of machine learning and AI, most people are unsure of the difference between them. I was for sure when I started. I learned that machine learning by itself is a subset of AI. Machine learning's main function is to be a technique for realizing AI. The best way to really see the difference between these two will be to find them. Machine learning, in simple terms, is a functional computer system with the ability to learn by themselves. If you look at the table to the right, these fruits are split up by weight and texture. Using a machine-learned algorithm, we can truly identify the missing fruit. Artificial intelligence is integrating human intelligence to machines. AI is a much broader term than machine learning. To see more similarities and differences, check out the video below. Artificial intelligence is a vastly growing field nowadays. It'd be very hard to go into a home and not find some sort of AI somewhere. There are numerous opinions out there for the future of AI, and there are many myths as well. As crazy as it would be to have these Terminator-like robots running around, there's not a great chance that will actually happen. Some experts believe that these AI will be created to do labor-intensive jobs. These AI could lead to the end of war, disease, and even poverty. So there's definitely a lot to look forward to. People have concerns also. Some say that might be the end or the last time we have control over our AI, unless we learn to align the goals of AI with ours before it truly becomes super intelligent. There's a lot to worry about concerning AI and the dangers. But like I said at the start, technology is continuously growing and there is no stopping it. What's coming? Best thing to do is prepare for the bad, accept the good that comes. Everything we love about civilization is a product of intelligence. So amplifying our human intelligence with artificial intelligence has the potential of helping civilization flourish like never before, as long as we manage to keep the technology beneficial. Thank you.